What's going on, guys? Ohhhhh1685, Project Prowler. Today we're gonna clean and condition a rubber roof, and we'll show you how to do that. So we got our Camco rubber roof cleaner and conditioner here, spray bottle, and we have our rubber roof UV conditioner treatment, and yeah, we're gonna get her done. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start off by doing a small area at a time here, and yeah, we'll clean her up. See how this stuff works. Never done this before, so here we go. You can see it's getting all that white stuff off right now, so that looks good. So we want to make sure we don't get any of this on the siding. So I'm going to go ahead and wring out this mop. Look at that. I'm going to wring it out and we'll get all the remainder off, and then we'll do another piece. You want to make sure you don't let this stuff dry on the roof. And I'm not doing it in direct sunlight either, so. You guys, it said not to condition your roof in the sun, so now it's in the evening now, and I'm gonna do the other half of the roof. I won't be getting much video of that because it's gonna be dark, but yeah, we're gonna clean this side. You can see the other side there, and it's all black because there's a roof white sealant that goes on, and it's all gone. So I'm gonna finish cleaning this roof, and then I'm gonna get a can of that sealant at some point, and we're gonna reseal the roof all nice white, and it'll be like brand new again. And then obviously a caulk around the plumbing vent, and redo the caulking around the vents, and yeah, she should be good to go. Okay, guys, it's the next day, and I went to my local RV shop here and bought this special rubber roof coating. And this stuff, $96.99 a gallon. But that's what we need, I guess, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go up, coat the roof. I'll give you a shot of before, what it looks like, and then you can see after. Okay, guys, here's the front of the trailer. Air conditioning. Look at how black the roof is here. That coating is totally gone, and so we need to get that stuff on there to protect the rubber. So here we go. Okay, guys, I got it's just like painting a wall in your house. You got to cut in around everything, and so I got everything cut in, and that takes a minute or 7. So I do a little caulking repair back here on the roof. Some of the caulking was starting to split, so you got your best friend there, the die-core self-leveling, and I slathered her on there. And so yeah, I did a nice thick coat. This stuff's pretty sweet. It's it literally just smells like paint, and it's just really thick, but it goes on nice, and yeah, it's not offensive at all. So we're ready to roll here, so we're gonna roller it. Light is fleeting us fast, but we got her done. We got a nice coat, generous coat on there. So that'll help out with heat in the trailer, having a nice white roof that'll reflect all that sun. And I'll show you guys how much is left in the can. It's about that much left. Yeah, it's not even it's below a third. And yeah, that's 24-foot trailer, so if you're wondering how much a gallon will do, it'll do at least a 24-foot trailer, and I put it on there pretty generous. So there you go, boys. That's how you seal your rubber roof with a special rubber roof sealer. Oh yeah, like and subscribe, and that's it for Project Prowler tonight on the roof anyway.